Okay, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a little picture placeholder in your home, just to keep memories alive. Here I have a little design. This is cardboard, and I've got some paints, some wall paints here. Okay, you can get this in the market so I don't mess up the wall when you hit it. Then to make it stick very well, I've used some curtains from cartons. You have those around your home. You can see it holding up nicely there. So holding up nicely, okay. It should be very easy to make. And then to make the pictures stay in place, you have to just make a little curtain here. Alright, so before you fix the pictures, you may need to bend it so that it fits right in so that it sits properly. Okay, so when you cut, you bend a little so that it sits properly. Alright, so hopefully when I'm through, I'll give you the final version. Thank you. This is the final version. Caleb, do you like this?
Yes.
It looks nice.
Yes.
You like to make this in your room?
Yes.
Alright. You can do this in your place of work, in the school, church. Looks really nice. Thank you.